we have to be coached as well, right? So Tom and I we're always required to do the same things we do for our clients, either for ourselves or go externally and get that done for us. You're always growing. There's no end to this. There's no end to the knowledge. There's no end to how much greater you can be. It's just, are you at a point where you want to be greater or not? And look, plateauing is fine for some people. It's like, this is where I wanted to get to. I'm very happy I'm here and I want to just maintain and stay here. There's nothing wrong with that. But if there's a desire and an urge deep down inside of you, like there is more and I know it and I know I can get it. I just don't know how. That's where you gotta take the time and make the investment, whether it's money or, a period of time that you're gonna invest in studying something, or there's a million different ways to do it. You don't have to just go to a coach, but man, you have to really feed that desire that's inside of you. Otherwise, it'll eat you from the inside out and you'll just be a miserable human being and you'll always have the what ifs and the regrets deep down inside of you. And you can't allow that to happen. I mean, even right now, I'm sitting here, I'm reading a book, it's Marcus Aurelius Meditations. I'm sure many of you listening to this have read it and I'm going through it and like, okay, there's some things in here that make a lot of sense and are useful as either validation in the way that I think or taking something else and attaching it to it and making that stronger or ripping things apart that I used to believe. And that's the thing. That's what you have to do. You have to go through and challenge your own belief systems and challenge your own operating procedures and the way that you act and the habits that you have. And that's really what allows you to be fulfilled because at the end of the day, this is all about fulfillment. There's a certain point that you're all going to hit where you make an amount of money that it doesn't matter if you make $1 more, $1 million more, $1 billion more. It really won't make a difference for you. That number is different for everybody. But internally, you may have more than enough money than you need, but you may be empty inside. I've seen way too many of those people that do financially, they're secure and they're just broken inside. And then I've seen the opposite. I've seen people who are totally fulfilled inside, but they're broke financially. It's like we're trying to marry those two things together to allow everybody that we work with that comes across our circle, whether they are hiring us or they're just in our ecosphere, to have success always in all ways. That's really our desire for the human race that is some way connected to us.